5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Good morning mister. Thanks for the time that you have given to me. I will deliver about reference and inference in English Pragmatic. Okay, but the first introduce myself. My full name is Dika Said Utama Renhawat. My nickname is Dika. My student identity number is 101. Okay, for the Jungman time, next to the materials. A. Introduction. Communication is essential for everyone to express feelings, exchange information, delivering message, and many other functions of it. During the age of communication, humans use language containing sentence, word, and smaller units, which also contribute to construct meaning. One distinctive character of human language is the edge of describing about something outside, which being known as aboutness, phonemics, or Hockett and Attent 1968. Humans don't only talk about something visible around them, but also abstract concepts, since the things which humans talk about is outside. They describe them using words. Phrases or sentence. Thus, the concept of reference and inference is proclaimed and become interesting issue to be explored by linguistics. Next, speaker and listener are comparating to reach some understanding during the year of communication. The coding expression, word cues and lines, or between one word to others, which been utilized to describe something, and the comparative understanding will only happen when the both successful gain mutual interpretation of what is expressed. Word itself does not original refer to something, but human do. One utilized word will not always reference and denotative meaning of it, since humans opinions takes since significant rule of what actually being referred a meaning being the meaning. Okay, in this paper I will try to briefly expose to concept of reference and inference in English Pragmatics by reviewing some literature, exploring and discussing about its future, and and mentioning a quiet explains to support better understanding for everyone who learn, and in accordance with that has story. Okay, next B. Literature view. Reference is difference as a thing that speaker says or readers that mention something or somebody else see, or Oxford Advanced Learn Dictionary 8th edition. Okay, next. If reference is done by and depends or speaker goal, inference is listener text to describe the relationship between expressed entities with the word. Or Yule 1997. It is also different as making assertion using what listened or rider watch. Okay, next C. Conclusion. Reference and inference is concept on how meanings are expressed by speaker through linguistic expression, and later being inferred or inferred by the listener. The expression used to deliver the meanings are not always explicitly stated. The thing which being are referred. A meaning behind the meaning. These meanings are influenced significantly by the collaborative understanding between speaker and listener, and all members of security. We can use a word, phrase, name, even sentence or refer. But context will determine that the meaning is correctly counted by the listener. Under the scope of reference and inference, referential and attributive use are explored and so as an approach reference as future. This topic is essential in English pragmatics and become a fascinating issue to be discussed among linguists. I think that's all. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.